These are my
Waffles!
Oh, yeah, that's the best way to mix it. Okay, it's time to work now. It's your first day at work. Guys, today I have a very special guest. What's your name?
Charlie.
Charlie. This is Charlie. Charlie, how old are you?
4.
4. And Charlie loves to eat
Waffles.
waffles. So we're going to make Charlie's favourite waffles, aren't we?
Yeah.
Are you ready? Are you ready to go? You ready to show everyone?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, I know that, sneaking vegetables into kids' food is something that I like to do at home, but we love spinach, don't we?
Yeah.
We love spinach and we love zucchini. So we're going to do a zucchini and spinach version of our waffles, but we're going to cover it in chocolate.
Yeah.
Is that what we're going to do?
Now can I put the
You've been very patient, honey. Yes, now you can do the chocolate. So if you can put the chocolate in here, so we want to break it up, pop it in here. So we've just got some regular milk chocolate. And then the easiest way, I think, to melt chocolate is in the microwave. So we don't have to bother with double boilers and that sort of thing. That's easier. Yeah. Do you, okay. You can have some chocolate. You have this piece, okay? Just a little bit, because otherwise you've got to save room for the waffles. Okay, I'll cut that in half. What's that? What knife is that?
I don't know.
That's the ouchie knife. We call it the ouchie knife, don't we? Okay.
Have both of the
Well, let's save that one for later. Okay, now we're going to put this in the microwave, but we want to put some maple syrup in there as well, because this is going to be our... Oh, do you want to do that? Mm-hmm. Okay, let's try with the tablespoon. Try with that one. Under here. Good job. Right to the top, right to the top. All right, pour it in. Okay, now we're going to put this in the microwave. So I like to do like 30 seconds and then come back and see, and then you can add another 30 seconds later. So that's why we melt the chocolate. Now we're going to do the actual ingredients. Oh, thank you. So, zucchini. Grater. This way.
Yes.
Keep going. Good job. Okay, I think that looks about right. Very good. Okay, pinch of salt, please. 3 fingers, 3 fingers. 3 finger, yep. Good job. 3 finger pinch.
Can I mix it now?
Do a little bit of mixing. Ah, there's your spoon. Good job. Okay.
Put it back in my pocket.
Yep, put it back in your pocket if you want. So I'm just going to leave that to sit like just a minute or so. Just this.
Can I whisper something?
Okay, you whisper some. Can you have some chocolate? Is that what you said? Okay. All right, a little bit of chocolate. Okay. Actually, should we check the chocolate? We'll check the chocolate in the microwave, huh?
Is it already?
Ooh, I don't know. I think you need to give it a stir. Have you got your spatula?
Yeah.
There it is. Give it a stir, please.
My spatula.
Your spatula. Stir, stir, stir.
Put it back in.
I think it needs a little bit longer. What do you think?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Here we go. And then I'll put this back in the microwave. We weren't supposed to do that just yet. That's okay, honey. Okay, you clean the spatula. Then we don't have to wash it. All right, okay. So let's get on to the actual batter itself. So, I mean, I kind of wing this at home, but obviously I will put some exact measurements for you online. But we usually start off with self-raising flour. And I like to do the self-raising because that kind of gives you a little bit more of a fluffy lift.
Do that with this.
Oh, I'm so sorry. Here we go. You do it, you do it. Okay, I think maybe try the bigger one. Okay, in we go. Pop that in. Very good. Now, should we stir our chocolate again? Oh, chocolate.
Can I see?
Yeah. Okay, you give that a stir. Let's see how we're going.
Stir.
That already looks delicious. Oh, wait, hot. Is it hot? Okay, keep stirring. Let me see. No, that's not hot. That is delicious. Oh my goodness. You make the best chocolate. Tell Dax. Is that good?
Yeah.
Okay, chocolate's done. We got to get going on this. So, self-raising flour. Our zucchini should be ready now, shouldn't
Can I
it?
have some of that hot chocolate?
You want some of the hard chocolate? Charlie, we're supposed to be making healthy waffles. We've got to wait for the waffles. Can I whisper you something? Yes.
see something.
Can you get your hands and put that out into the flour, please? Oh. Okay, so now we're going to add in some spinach. We love baby spinach, and I love putting baby spinach in things because it kind of just disintegrates without giving too much of that vegetable flavour.
Can I something?
You sure can. What? Some chocolate. Can we wait for our waffles, please, honey? Okay, you can have a little. Careful of your fingers near the ouchie knife. Who makes the best waffles, Mummy or Daddy? Mummy. Okay. 2 eggs. So I kind of like do this by feel almost. I like to put at least 2 eggs in because I feel like some nice egg protein is another little healthy thing that we're adding. Mixing, and then our little Henry is dairy free. So we use, what milk do we use? We use oat milk, don't we?
Oat milk.
Yeah.
Can I put that in?
Sure.
That one's the brother one.
Yeah, okay.
More?
Let's mix this first.
Don't mix it,
Okay, I
Mum.
won't mix. Okay, now you do the mixing.
With a broom.
Oh, yeah, that's the best way to mix it. Hey, that looks really great.
With a booby. With a booby.
Is that your mixing song, is it? Waffles are going in. Are you ready? Do you want to do the scoop for me?
Yes.
Okay, you do the scoop. And so just so you know, these actually work as pancakes too. So if you don't have a waffle maker, that's totally cool. Now careful, that's hot, remember?
Yeah.
Okay, so into the center here.
Okay.
Yep. Good job. Okay, one more of those. Over here.
And then eating those 2.
Yeah, and then on those 2 as well. You got it. You're very clever. Okay. I think I can smell that the waffles are ready. What do you think? Do you want to have a
Can I
look?
open it?
You open it. Okay, from here. Lift it up. Muscles. Wow, look at those! Look at our waffles! So fun!
Wow.
Wow, which one do you want? You choose.
That one.
That one, okay. Wow, look at that waffle. Now, so we spread some of our chocolate. Do you want to do the spread? You do the spread. You love to spread the chocolate.
Yeah.
Okay, spread.
Spread.
Oh,
Spread.
whoa. One. Oh, wait, oh, come on. That's too much chocolate. Okay, now, are you ready? Do you want to do a final drizzle?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you want to do that? Not too much now, remember, just a little bit of maple syrup. Or a lot of maple syrup. Okay, now comes the fun part. All right, who's doing this part? Are you doing this part? You ready? Woohoo! Now,
Wait,
look at that! Now you're going to say to everyone, here we go, guys.
Here we go, guys.
These are my...
Waffles!
Do you want to hold that up so everyone can see? Oh my goodness, did you just make the best waffles in the world?
I don't know, I haven't tried one yet.
You know, that is right, actually. You were too clever for me, you know? Too clever. All right, we're going to try our waffles. Okay, you ready? Should we cut? So wait, do you want me to cut it for you?
Yeah.
Okay. They seem so soft and fluffy. Look at that. Look at that. Let me check it first to make sure it's not too hot. It's a little hot. Oh, that's so good. What do you think? What's the verdict?
Great.
Great.
This is my waffle.
That is your waffle. Tell Dax. What do you think?
Get your own waffle.
There you go, Dax. Get your own waffle. Yum. Thank you, Charlie. That is so good. Yum.
Yum.
Hey guys, I'm releasing new recipes and videos every week. So if you want to know when something new and delicious is out, why not hit the subscribe button and the little bell, and that way you'll get notified every time. Thanks guys. See you.